AI is not just the future, it's the present. And if you're not using AI to make money in 2025, you're leaving cash on the table. Today, I'm revealing 5 game-changing AI tools that can help you generate real income. So whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just looking for a side hustle, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Number 1, ChatGPT for business and content creation. First up, we have ChatGPT. This AI powerhouse is way more than just a chatbot. In 2025, businesses are outsourcing copywriting, social media management, customer service, and even sales automation to ChatGPT. If you're good at prompting and fine-tuning responses, you can sell AI-generated services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. And guess what? People are already making thousands of dollars a month doing this. Number 2, Midjourney and AI art for passive income. Next, let's talk about Midjourney. If you've ever dreamed of selling art but don't have design skills, AI has your back. With Midjourney, you can create stunning artwork in seconds and sell them as NFTs, posters, book covers, and even t-shirt designs on sites like Etsy, Redbubble, or Teespring. The best part? Once you upload your designs, they keep selling passively. Imagine making money while you sleep. Number 3, Synthesia for AI-powered video creation. Ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but hate being on camera? Say hello to Synthesia. This AI tool creates hyper-realistic avatars that speak in multiple languages. You can use it to create YouTube automation channels, explainer videos, or even marketing content without ever recording yourself. Some people are already making 5 figures a month running faceless AI-generated YouTube channels. Think about that. Number 4, Jasper AI for copywriting and blogging. If writing isn't your thing, but you want to make money online, then Jasper AI is your new best friend. This tool helps you write high-converting ad copy, SEO-optimized blogs, and product descriptions in minutes. Businesses pay thousands of dollars for great content, and with Jasper AI, you can deliver it effortlessly. You can use it for affiliate blogging, e-commerce product descriptions, or even ghostwriting books. The possibilities are endless. Number 5, AI stock and crypto trading bots. Last, but definitely not least, AI-powered trading bots. Platforms like 3 Commas, Trade Santa, and Crypto Hopper use AI to analyze market trends and execute trades automatically. These bots help traders maximize profits and minimize risks. Of course, trading always comes with risks, but AI can take the emotion out of the equation and help you make smarter decisions. If you're serious about investing, AI trading is worth exploring. And there you have it, 5 AI tools that can make you money in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on AI-powered money-making strategies. Thanks for watching Innovate Mind with AI, where we turn technology into opportunity. See you in the next video.